Today's topic is, can I deduct my suits as a business expense? Okay, it's a classic question. When you guys may not know this, but I'm a lawyer. I own a law firm as well. Part of the reason why I started Big Bird. But back in the day, I used to wear a suit to work every day. And I tried my darndest to be able to write off all of the suits that I bought. And I would go, buy like 3 or 4 at a time. I'd wear them for the whole year, then I'd go buy some more. I searched and searched and searched, and I thought to myself, oh, I can write it off as maybe as a marketing expense. It's a uniform. There's definitely something in the tax code about uniforms. But alas, you are not allowed to write off your law firm work clothes as just business expenses. There's no uniform rule that it fits into. It's not a marketing expense, so I'll tell you maybe how you can do that in a minute. So the general answer is no, you cannot write off your law firm clothes as a work expense. Okay. Now, what about the uniform thing? The uniform write-off that the IRS allows for is like specific utilitarian needs for specific industries. If you are a construction worker and you have to wear a hard hat, you can write that off. If you are a police officer and you have to buy your uniform, you can write that off. If you're a construction worker and you need steel-toed boots, you can do that. But wearing a suit doesn't qualify, unfortunately. Okay, so that's a no. How can we write off our suits or our lawyerly wear as a marketing expense? Now you might think to yourself, oh, I'll just put a logo on my suit, and that's great. That's probably not going to qualify either. Here's why: because you're not giving it away to anybody. Most of the time, that marketing swag, t-shirts, hats, you make it to be distributed to other people. That's what makes it a marketing expense. I guess maybe if you put a huge logo on your suit and wore it around, it could be kind of like wrapping your car, but who really wants to do that, right? So one way though, again, to sort of close the loop on this, to write off your clothing as a business expense would be to just create a bunch of swag and then wear, that stuff to work every day. If I put a logo on my crew shirt here and I wore this to work every day and I had something to give away, I could probably write that off as a marketing expense. That would work. So keep that in mind. But generally, the answer is no. You can't write your shoes off. You can't write your Gucci shoes off. You can't write off your red bottom heels. That's definitely not going to qualify. So sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but that's kind of what we do here sometimes at tax time, is save you from getting smoked if you get audited. Okay, hope this helped. If it did, that's great. Real quick, if you're a law firm owner doing between $300K and $1 million a year, and you're not confident your books and trust account would survive an audit, I'm offering a free trust and books checkup for your firm. We'll review your setup, flag any real risks, and outline a cleanup plan. To book yours, go to bigbirdaccounting.com/checkup.